Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get code from Emergent AI. It's super easy and only takes a few steps. First, open your browser and go to app.emergent.sh. Once you're on the website, sign up or log in with your account. After that, you'll see a chat or workspace area where you can type your prompt. This is where you tell Emergent AI what kind of code you want. For example, you can type something like generate a Python calculator code or make a simple HTML website, then just hit enter. And Emergent AI will instantly generate the code for you. Once the code appears, simply click the copy button or highlight and copy it manually. Then paste it into your code editor like VS Code or Notepad++. And that's it. You've successfully got working code from Emergent AI. Super simple and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.